welcome to day 2. Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. And this is day 2 of the pop-up that we're having. So we're just having a pop-up. Oh, my mask is way too big for me, so yeah. Day 2, we're gonna have a lot of sales today. And just excited to be selling stuff and giving people like just having more exposure to our website and stuff like that. So yeah, join me on today, and I'll try to have more footage today and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so we're at H&M. This very nice outfit, sweater set. This is really cute. And we're in H&M right now. This is the sweater set. We're at Olive Garden. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I didn't even get a lot of footage from yesterday, so I thought I should just combine this. So this would be Vlogmas day 13. Yeah, Vlogmas day 13. So I'm just gonna combine yesterday and today. So happy Vlogmas day 13. Yesterday was a successful, this whole weekend was a success. We actually sold a lot. We actually sold enough some stuff on our website, so I gotta pack that stuff up today. Today is very, very gloomy. Like, just look at that. Like, it's very gloomy out. I had to turn my light on, so it's just nice today. Well, gloomy, but today is kind of day. I'm gonna chill today, but I also have some packing up to do for the stuff that I gotta get ready to just ship off for the website. And then what else do I have to do? Oh yeah, we're also having a sale, 12 days of Christmas sales right now. So our sets are $25 if you use the code 12 days Christmas on our site, or 12 days Xmas on our website. So that will be linked in the description box below. I have to wash dishes today. I really would like to do my hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to it. I'm tired. But yeah, so today I think I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna eat for breakfast or something, and then yeah, join me on today. I have to catch up on a lot of people's Vlogmas, so gotta do that. So yeah, join me on today. Okay, so it's a little bit later, a lot later. I've already showered, I ate my lunch. I need to actually pack up some orders for the from the website, and then I actually sold one thing from Poshmark, so I gotta pack that up. And yeah, so, and then I gotta do dishes. I had to put a load of clothes in a wash, but I've just been really procrastinating. I don't know, it's just a gloomy day. It's cold. I'm just, but I think I'm just gonna get up and do what I need to do, and so that I can be done and just chill out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah. Okay, so I packed everything up for the website, and now I'm going to put a load of clothes in a wash, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and watch the rest of Vlogmas, and then yeah, and then I think that's pretty much it for now. That's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna throw a load of clothes in a wash and then chill out. Hi, it's been a couple of hours now, so it got back to dark, and I ended up not doing dishes. I mean, I did dishes, but I ended up not putting a load in a wash. I think I'm just gonna do that tomorrow because I'm tired, and I think I want to end the vlog. It's been long, and I did combine yesterday to today, so yeah. So this is Vlogmas day 12 and 13, and then I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 14. Bye.